Hi, this is to give you a tour of your new course. Your page does not have this course management section. That's only for the teacher. Up here, we'll start with welcome and start here. That's this page. Every time you come onto the course, you will start on this page. It has some information about the class, and there's also a survey that you can take by clicking here. The next page is announcements. Right now there is nothing on this page, but when the teacher puts in announcements, they will appear here, and they will also be sent to your email. The next part is your lesson, Unit 1. This week, you can only see Unit 1. Next week, you will be able to see Units 1 and 2, so each week a new lesson will appear. So let's look at your lesson. First, we have the welcome, and it tells what the goals for the week are so that you can make sure that you are studying the right thing. Then next is vocabulary study. Here are some important words. Be sure to take a look at this. You can listen to the word.
Obligation.
You can mark the word if you want to study it more. And then here you can click, what does obligation mean? Flip the card, you see the definition. Can also listen to that.
Something that you must do because of a law, rule, promise.
Okay, so now I know this word, I can go right to the next one by clicking the arrow, view next card. Okay, and then flip, next card. Okay, once you've studied all the cards, go down here where it says choose a study mode. You can choose any of these. There's different games you can play with the words. And there's also learning and testing. So it's got a lot of ways that you can learn the new words. And then, after you learn the words, you can go to listening and note-taking. So there is a video here, and there are 3 questions. So read the questions before you watch the video and take notes as you are watching the video. At the end, you should be able to answer those 3 questions. Some people have been telling me that they are having trouble watching the video. If this is the case, there are 2 things. Number 1 is that this course does not like Internet Explorer, so you might want to change your browser. Or you can come right here, and I have put the actual link, so you can just copy this and paste it in your address bar and watch the video on the TED Talks website. Next is a quiz about the video to make sure that you understand what you listened to. And you can use your notes while you are taking this quiz. So you come here and click begin. And as you answer each question and you click save answer, you can see here as you finish each question. When you get to the last question, you can save and submit. And it's telling me you didn't answer all the questions. Okay, and so now it says test saved and submitted. And if I want to see my score, I click down here at the bottom. Okay. And I can see the questions and which ones I got right and which ones I got wrong. Now I can go back to my lesson. And next is a reading. So there's a link here to a story, and I'm going to read it. And as I'm reading it, I'm going to be trying to answer these 3 questions. Okay? And then I'm going to take a quiz on this reading also. Next is a discussion board. This is where you can go and post some of your writing. Here are the instructions, the question, and when you click this blue title, you'll see this page. You click Create Thread. Here's the question again. You will type in your subject line. You can give your writing a title, and then you type in your answer, and then you click Submit. The next activity is an audio discussion board. So there's a question here, And you can record your answer. You can use any recording software that you might have. And then when you go into the discussion board, you're going to create thread. You're going to give your response a title. And then right here, you're going to go browse my computer, and you're just going to attach that audio file that you made, and then click submit. The next part is listening and pronunciation, and this is using a partner website called English Central. So there are a couple videos here to introduce you to the website, and then here is your actual link to the course. So you click here, and you just click Enroll Now. You create an account with your email, and you make your own login password. And there will be another video that shows you how to use English Central. Back to Blackboard. The next thing is reading. This is another instructional partner of ours called Voxy. There is an introduction video in Spanish for you to watch, and then here you can click to go to the course. Some of you may have actually received an email from Voxy that showed you how to log in and create an account. But if you did not, you come to this page. You can change the language to Spanish if you like. And then in this blank, you're going to type in your email and the password Voxy123 if you do not have a password already. Then you can enter the class, and there will also be another video that shows you how to use Voxy. And then the last thing is, what did you accomplish? So this is reviewing what the goals for the week were. One last section to show you. Go back up to your menu. Questions and help. This is the place where you can post questions in a forum, and you can also answer people's posts. So you could read someone's email. Maybe they have the same problem you do. And if you know the answer, you can reply and answer their question. Also in this section, we will be having help videos. So for example, this video will be found on this page. I hope you enjoy the course, and please don't be afraid to ask questions and to get help. Thank you.